Remove the wooden case packing. Remove the plastic bag. Take away accessories. Remove the utility cover. Remove screws from baseplate cover. Unplug the foot control cable. Remove the baseplate cover. Remove 4 screws fixing the baseplate to the pallet. Move the chair into position. When need to enter a narrow door, remove the cartons. Remove protective pad. Raise the chair. Remove 2 fixing screws of seat upholstery. Remove seat upholstery. Remove fixing screws of backrest. Install backrest and fix it with screws. Tighten the backrest fixing screws. Install the headrest. Open the side box outer cover. Install assistant instruments arm. Install bracket and fix with screw. Connect the gas tube of assistant instruments to the multiple block according to the color. Place handpiece tube of assistant instruments. Install ceramic cuspidor. Connect the cuspidor drain hose to the 3-way connector. Connect cuspidor inlet tube to the solenoid valve according to the color. Install cup filler nozzle and bowl flush nozzle. Install cuspidor basket strainer and drain cap. Install light flex arm. Install trim ring. Connect light pole. Install silicone dress ring. Pass the light cable into the side box. Install the light pole. Adjust the pole tightness with set screws. Put down the silicone dress ring. Install dental light. Fix dental light with set screw. Open the side box inner cover. Connect dental light power supply. Close side box covers. Install seat upholstery. Fix seat upholstery with screws. Install the foot control cable. Install the baseplate cover. Fix the baseplate cover with screws. Place the handpiece tube of Dr. Instruments. Install syringe tip. Place the transparent tray mat of Dr. Table. Place the silicon tray mat of Assistant Instruments. Plumbing layout. Connect water and air supply. Connect 3 drain hose to drain pipe of clinic. Install the utility cover. Function test. Install the caster of Dr. Stool. Install Dr. Stool gas cylinder. Install the chair control. Install seat cushion. Install upright bar. Install hinge cover. Insert the upright bar to chair control. Installation completed.